So, it's been a long time since we've done an unboxing. I decided to order some exotic succulents from the Succulent Shop, I believe is the official name. The Succulents Shop. I have ordered from them before. I had a great experience the first time, so I decided I would order again. When you first open up, oh, it is so windy. Ooh, there's pink tissue paper, which is cute. So, where's my invoice? Oh no, I think my invoice blew away. I don't have the invoice right here. But we're gonna open them up anyways. So these are shipped out as 1-inch plugs, which is my preference. I don't like to buy highly rooted succulents online because you waste a lot of money on shipping. They grow fast and they're very resilient. So here is the first one. I do want to remove any funky looking leaves now though. So this one only lost 3 leaves in transit, so not bad. Here is the next one. It's trying to focus on me. Oh my goodness. It wants me, not the succulent. Oh my god. That is crazy. And it's already puppying like no other. That is just gorgeous if it would freaking focus. Oh my gosh. YouTubing is frustrating, and that's why my videos are inconsistent. I swear I know how to use a camera, but it never wants to cooperate when you're actually filming and you're not just doing like test runs of stuff. And then I believe this one would be probably Echeveria prolifica, which is just stunning. Cute little rosettes. Everything is wrapped in bubble wrap as well. 2 plants per 6x6 square of bubble wrap. Wind. This is a disaster. Oh my god. Look at these guys. I don't remember the name of these. Sadly I missed the bloom on this one, but I'll go ahead and remove the bloom spike. But these guys are just so cute. They're gonna look awesome once they're rehydrated. And then for the last little packet. Oh wow. I'm so mad I can't remember these names off the top of my head. Wow, this one's very tight. This is Echeveria lotus. That's amazing how tight and stacked those little leaves are. So I'm gonna go grab the invoice. That way we can appropriately identify all of these guys. Oh my gosh, I literally walked all the way inside to get the invoice and it had just blown on the ground right here. Okay. So here we go with the identifying. Looks like I accidentally ordered 2 Echeveria cannas. So I'll probably sell one because I don't need 2. I'm a collector. I want like 1 of each. That strikes desire in my heart. This was Echeveria Bocart. I believe this is a Korean. This one, Echeveria Rosea. Here is Echeveria Lotus. I believe these pictures are really small. This is Echeveria Lemon Rose. Echeveria Asante Sana. And this is not Cheviana. This is Violet Queen. Violet Queen actually has, you see how it's kind of glowing on the edges? Cheviana does not glow, and the leaves are actually a little bit lengthier than the Violet Queen. But my god, can you imagine like when that's gonna be like a 6-inch? The invoice has colored pictures. But yes, I'm gonna flip the camera around so we can take a much closer look. So here they are. That Violet Queen is just so stunning. Just look at the pattern on the Bocari. And that's Rosea, Canna. Lemon Rose just has such an amazing glow to it. That's just stunning.